Today it's Friday, October 4th, 2024, 113K. What I have done till now. I put the heat shield here for this engine mount, I torque it down, and that's it. Yeah, the rest I show you, right? And I put also the plenum here, the T rubber connector, and I block it just in case. Because I can throw it out. Ah no, I put also the starter. Yay, yeah. I put the new bolts on the starter, 1, 2, 3. Alright. I put the starter, the positive, the signal, alternator, I already show you that. And now it's the time to continue with the headers, exhaust manifold. They're slightly used one, but they're okay, they're healthy. It doesn't have any crack or something. It's okay. I put also the gaskets in place. After that, what needs to be done? I'm still waiting for the inner belt, and I haven't torqued down 1, 2, 3, 4. I haven't torqued down the Allen on the pulley here. I haven't torqued down the damper pulley bolt, and I haven't torqued down this bolt and this bolt. Yep, all the rest been torqued down. I'm gonna double check it again. I torqued down also the bolt for the supercharger pulley. I need to make one bracket here because I don't have it for the engine. Yep. And I need to make also another one bracket to help me out to lock the crankshaft to torque down the damper pulley. I had it before, I don't have it now. Alright. The plug, I keep it here because when I arrive we're gonna change it. The engine is gonna be outside. I block the breather here and the one for the charcoal canister at this point. Alright, and that's it. Let's put the exhaust manifold standing by for the belt, like I said. Then we're gonna make the brackets. Done with the exhaust manifold, bolted down. Now I'm gonna make one bracket for here and standing by for the belt and the rear bracket. I need to come the guys to keep me on plate for the crankshaft back for the flex plate. Not the actual flex plate, the washer that has between. And then we're gonna make also the other one. Yeah. Let's move on. New belt arrive, and the new belt arrived with at the same time with the bracket that I ordered. This is the bracket that I have to fix a holder, like what I did before, to have 3 attachment points. One here, one there, and another one there, to be safe. I didn't order stainless steel, it came stainless steel, never mind. I have these 10.9 bolts that comes nicely inside, and if you put also the bracket, it's leaving only, you see, it's almost bottom out, and it's leaving not even 0.5 millimeter from the bottom. That means has full engagement, all the threads inside. That's my point actually here. That's what I want to do, just in case I don't have any headache. So not now, not now. Now I'm gonna finalize, leave this there. Now I'm gonna finalize the pulleys, like I said, and to remove the old belt, put a new belt, and finally deploy the tensioners and spin the engine to see that it's okay. Yeah, that's the plan. Let's remove this belt. The new belt back in place. It looks a bit tight. The tensioner, it's too much to the left. I wish to be a little bit more to the right for at least 10 millimeters. We're gonna see how it's gonna end up. If I explode the tensioner, we're gonna see. Now, the water pump bolts here, it's been torqued down. These bolts have been torqued down. Nothing here has been torqued down on the damper pulley. It's not been checked. And I am continuing with the bracket. First, I ask a bracket to be 33 millimeters width, 5 millimeters the thickness, and I order 1 meter. And I said normal steel, not something hard, not stainless steel, and I get a stainless steel, 4mm thickness and 25mm width. Alright? Not only that, I said okay, screw it. I'm gonna take a little bit more time. Let's make it out of this. No problem. Ideally, I want to be 5mm. I cut one bracket and I start working on what I have. Then I'm going outside to cut the rest of the brackets that I want before I put it together, before I weld it. And then outside, what did I found? There is not anymore the stainless steel, disappeared. Mr. Roman, he took it back. Let me show you what we have now, what I have to deal with. And now I have to deal with that. It's a 90 degrees L channel, alright? I cut one piece with a grinder, but obviously I'm not gonna take a look. Here it's like I was drunk. It went like this, alright? And what I did, I put it with an end mill, I pass it to be nice and clean the surfaces. Not here it's not. Also from this side. And I mark it, where I mark it? I make the main line here. And that's what I'm doing. Yay. Yeah, obviously not gonna be ready today. And then I have to make another bracket for that, like what I had before. This, I found the bolts, like I said, this for the supercharger, this is for back when it comes the bracket down here. Actually it fits here, here, here or there, or even up. It depends where you have a space. It's nice tool, helpful. Forget about this, let's deal with that. And what it takes, like I said, I need to cut it, I need to machine it, then I have to clean it up, to don't have it like this, and then I'm gonna weld it for final. Yeah, lovely. That's it. That's it for today. I don't want to continue. Yeah, the next video is gonna be on the engine, not on the engine stand. It's gonna be on the cross member, with nice washed cross member. You're gonna have the bracket there up, and I'm gonna have also the bracket back over there on the crankshaft to torque down. I have no clue how much I'm gonna torque down this bolt. We're gonna see when it comes the time. Not now. For now, let's make some brackets. It's helpful tool, you know. It's helpful tool where I was using this bracket that I fixed before for the supercharger. Because if you ask, they're gonna tell you, nobody have it. Nobody knows what bracket you should put here. Alright, this bracket, it's very helpful when you want to change on the timing cover, the two O-rings. That means you put the bridge on the fender, that it goes from one side to the other on the fender. Then you have this piece in the middle, you're torquing it down. And you have the hook here, you support this on the bridge, you suspend the ends on the air, and you remove cross member, the oil pan, everything, all the auxiliaries, you remove the timing cover and you do the job. It's helpful, at least for me. Oh, for somebody else, maybe not, I don't know. You're gonna tell me you can grab it from the headers. The thing is that you have the ignition coils, you have the cover. I believe it's much safer here. Somebody before mentioned that, you know what, I'm not gonna trust this bracket, the one that I fixed before, because it has 3 nerves. Somebody before, from this bracket that I'm gonna fix again, he lifted the engine complete with the airboxes and the transmission without using this. It was the engine like this, tilted. And he inserted it inside also on the car. So I'm trusting this bracket. But again, I'm not doing that, I'm using all 3 points, like I said. Okay, so that's the update for today. Let's continue playing with the brackets and see you tomorrow. Thank you very much. Over and out.